Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Mojo, and today we're going to be installing the rotating assembly. We're going to basically start from the block. I'm going to paint the block and install the cradle, crankshaft, install connecting rods, pistons, and I'm going to drop a video shortly after this on how to install piston rings. So if you're curious about that, I'll just upload that. And I actually was driving a while back and ran into an NSX, so I'll just drop that right after this so you guys can see that. It was really cool, really clean, and the guy was really cool. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Missing someone.
Hey everybody, I'm actually taping up the block right now. I obviously put it on the stand, and I have all 4 bolts secured down, so you're not able to roast me this time. But I'm taping off, masking off any area that I do not want painted. I'll probably just throw cotton balls or pieces of cotton in all these holes, so that if paint gets in them, they don't. Well, if paint gets there, it's not getting into the threads, which could cause cross-threading. So I'm making sure I'm being really careful with this. And then I will tape off the entire back. Yeah, tape off the entire back. And then I'm just going to paint the sides and the upper. I'll probably go gold. Why not, right? We'll go gold. And then, yeah, you guys will give me see some shots of me painting. What's up, guys? Hey, as you can see, Maisie's block is, I just threw down the last final third coat, and check it out. We got some gold. Ooh, baby. I completely taped up the front, bottom, and where the cylinder heads sit. And then I covered all these holes, so pull them out, it'll be good. Last coat, I'll probably take off the paint tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm putting in the rotating assembly, so I'll make a separate video for that. Actually, it'll be in this video. So if you're watching this, you clicked on it because I'm putting in the rotating assembly. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Guys, what's up? Today Saul and I are going to be installing the main bearings for the crankshaft, and I need to grab my cradle from inside, but I got brake clean for the crankshaft. Gonna clean it up. Sorry if you can hear the rain off the shed, but we'll go ahead and get these installed. Alright guys, actually due to complications with recording, you missed me putting these in, but I did record it. It just went bad. But the main bearings look just like this. Put lube on the top, lube on the top, lube on the top, and then I'm gonna drop the crankshaft in. You want to make sure, I just sprayed the crap out of this with brake clean, as you can see right here. So you want to make sure that all of these got a little bit of lube on them, all your main journals, and they are clean of any hair or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and drop thrust washers. If you want to get right here, I don't have a camera, but there's a space right here. Can you see that? Yep, a space right here on each side, and one of these goes on each side. So look, you're gonna have a lipped one, just like this, and a non-lipped one, just like this. And we're gonna install those really quick. So here's the lipped side. It goes over here, and it should just glue in because we're completely doused in lube. Just like that. It sits perfectly. So then next, do the exact same thing with a non-lipped one. Just like this. I'm going to cover it in lube, and I'm going to install it. So you don't have to stop it. Lube dip. And then I'm going to get some lube on here. Just enough to rub it around. Alright. Then we're going to install it. Just like so. Boom. Thrust washers are installed on the black side. Now I will drop in the crank. In the crank now. There we go. Boom. We are on. Look at that. Spins nice and freely. Be very liberal with the amount of lube you use. You really can't use too much. I mean, you can, but don't be ridiculous with it. You just want to make sure you're nice and lubricated. Any metal on metal contact is a no bueno. You don't want that. So as you can see, I can freely spin this. And I know we have lube everywhere, but that's okay. So next what we're going to do is install the main cradle. Same rule applies for this. You want to make sure you clean your main cradle. You'll pop in your main bearings. You want to make sure that they're clean under here, nice and smooth. Make sure you don't cut yourself like I just did. Like that. Cut my finger pretty good. But you know, it's all a process. So you're going to line this up with the groove. And then you're just going to snap it in. Perfect. Same thing with the third one. Wipe it down. And the third one is where you're going to have your thrust washer, so don't forget about that. Line that up. Slap in your bearing. Wipe this off. Make sure you're good. This is after we use brake clean, by the way, so line that up. Pop it down. Make sure they're all in. And then that's when we're going to grab our assembly lube. And we're going to squirts that, squirts that, squirts that, squirts that. Alright. And then rub it in. This is the one that has the thrust washer. By the way, this is sitting at a bevel, so that's brake clean, that's puddled up. I'm sure you see that and it worries you, but don't worry about it. Extra time again. You can lube them up nice and good so that they get all sticky and then they can stick. Yep. I can stick to the cradle. And this one goes on this side. So what I'm going to do is take some lube off of this, rub it on, and this should just slide and stick. Just like that. Alright, and then we're going to do the same thing to this side. Put a lube. Cover the thrust washer. And then get some right there. And then we will drop this in. Just like that. And then we're ready to install it. Turn it off. Alright guys, we're going to install the cradle now. There we go. Alright guys, the crank is installed, but my torque wrench took a shit on me, so I have to get a new torque wrench. And these I didn't mention on the thrust washers, as you can see them right there. the grooved side faces out. So the flat edge, you'll go towards the main journals. And so these have a specific torque order. They are on 3si.com, so check that out if you're doing this. But yeah, guys, it's installed. And pistons, connecting rods will be next. And then I'll be ready to put on the pan, pick up tube, etc. All that stuff. So I'm looking forward to it.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart.
Hey everybody, I just got the rotating assembly just installed, and you know, it's just freaking amazing right now. I'm so excited, and it's just, look at that, it just looks beautiful. I'm just so ready to get this all back together and get on the next step. So I am actually going to cover this back up, make sure it's all clean, and then I will be putting together the rear head, and then this will be the rear, and I will be able to put on the oil pan and all that, and the oil pump, etc. So I'm excited for that. Let's get right into it. Guys, I didn't put this in the video, but you want to make sure these are torqued down to 38 foot-pounds. All I did was make them tight, and then I torqued them. So these are all torqued now, and just like that, we got a rotating assembly, guys. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. And the build as of today, today of the upload, is very, very close to being done. I'm waiting on a fuel injector for my project car to be able to use again, because I'm using it on Myrtle because the fuel injector went bad. So if I had my fuel injectors back, I would have my plenum on. That's how close I am. So if you guys want to catch everything as it happens, follow me on Instagram. The link will always be down below. Well, my Instagram will be down below. As it happens, I upload it, so YouTube's usually a couple weeks behind. So go follow me on Instagram. Check out Alex's channel. You need to spam him because he's not uploading, and I keep trying to tell him to upload. So check out Alex's channel. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good day.